if you want to maintain your privacy while using PayPal, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PayPal website and log in with your email and password. Ensure you have access to your account to make the necessary changes. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Privacy Settings. Click on this option to view your privacy-related settings. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to your online status or visibility. You may see options to hide your online presence or status from other users. Select the appropriate option to ensure your status is hidden. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes you've made. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on PayPal and enhance your privacy while using the platform.